Why are there over 125,000 validators leaving the Ethereum network? Are they panicking, and should you be panicking? Or is this actually an opportunity? Let's get into it. If you guys enjoy these updates, hit the like button, hit subscribe. We put out videos every day. If you want to know what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies, you got to check out the home of the CT Club at learningcrypto.com. A link is down below in the video description. So, over 1,000 Ethereum validators have been leaving the network since early October, voluntarily. These aren't malicious validators or inept validators that are being slashed by the network for not behaving correctly. These guys are leaving voluntarily. So why would they do this? Usually, just market dynamics here. As the price of Ethereum has increased, they see an opportunity that they want to take advantage of. They want to sell their Ethereum at a profit, much more of a profit than maybe they would be earning through actually staking that Ethereum. Is this a bad thing or a good thing? Well, if you're staking your Ethereum and you've been staking it for a while, you will know that the more people that are staking, the more validators that are staking, the less percentage return APY you will be getting for staking your Ethereum. As these addresses are leaving and choosing not to stake, if you still are, your percentage is going to increase. So that's the market dynamics, is that as more people are staking Ethereum, the percentage of your rewards go down, meaning that as the price of Ethereum, if it's increasing at the same time, there's going to be a more opportunity to cash out and drive people away. But if you're still staking, and you're going to be holding long term anyway, you're actually going to benefit from this because the percentage you're going to earn from staking is going to increase because there's less stakers for that reward to be distributed amongst. So there's your tidbit of good news, and no more good news. There's a US judge that wants to sanction SEC lawyers for forcing a crypto firm to freeze their funds due to misinformation and false claims. So as much as the SEC wants to play like they're the good guy and they're trying to act and get rid of the bad actors in the cryptocurrency space, they're actually doing the opposite, and they're doing themselves a disservice. And every day we're seeing the truth of what's happening with the SEC. So bring it on. Let's see what happens here and how that develops. So that's your crypto update for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.